Have you ever wondered how to navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency investment? In this digital age, cryptocurrency has become an increasingly popular form of investment. It's like a new age gold rush, with investors from all walks of life hoping to strike it rich. And why not? Cryptocurrency holds the allure of potentially high returns, and the success stories are captivating. But just like the gold prospectors of the Old West, crypto investors face many challenges. Cryptocurrency is a complex beast. Its market is volatile, always changing, and can be as unpredictable as a wild stallion. It's a world where the rules of traditional investment may not always apply. This complexity, coupled with its inherent volatility, can make it a daunting prospect for both new and experienced investors alike. But fear not. Cryptocurrency investment doesn't have to feel like an unsolvable puzzle. Stay with us as we untangle the web of crypto investment. Before diving into investment strategies, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency actually is. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is digital or virtual money. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies exist only in the digital world with no physical counterpart. But what makes cryptocurrency truly revolutionary is the technology that powers it: blockchain. Imagine a ledger, but instead of being kept in one place, copies of it are held by thousands of computers around the world. These computers work together to verify and record every transaction made in a particular cryptocurrency. This network of computers, or nodes, forms the blockchain. So when you make a transaction with cryptocurrency, it's like sending a message to the entire network. The nodes verify your transaction, then add it to the ledger. This process ensures that the same unit of cryptocurrency can't be spent twice, making the system secure and transparent. Now let's talk about decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi. The traditional financial system is centralized. It's overseen by governing bodies and intermediaries like banks. But with DeFi, control is distributed among the users themselves. Transactions are made directly between parties, without the need for a middleman. This can make transactions faster, cheaper, and more accessible to people who might otherwise be excluded from traditional financial services. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they solve a problem, they add a new block to the blockchain and are rewarded with a certain amount of the cryptocurrency. This process is how new units of cryptocurrency are introduced into the system. As for storage, cryptocurrencies are kept in digital wallets. These can be online, offline, or even hardware-based. They use a combination of public and private keys, which are essentially long strings of numbers and letters, to secure your assets. Armed with a fundamental understanding of cryptocurrency, you're now ready to explore the world of crypto investment. As with any investment, entering the crypto market requires careful planning and consideration. Now let's break it down. Before you jump headfirst into the world of cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to do your homework. You wouldn't invest in a company without researching its financial health, management team, and market position, right? The same applies to cryptocurrencies. You need to understand the fundamentals of the crypto you're investing in, its use cases, its technology, and its potential for growth. Let's take a quick look at some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. First up is Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 and remains the most valuable and widely recognized cryptocurrency today. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold due to its limited supply, and many investors see it as a store of value. Next is Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't just a digital currency. It's a blockchain-based platform that enables developers to build and operate decentralized applications. Its native currency, Ether, fuels these applications. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with their unique features and uses. For example, Ripple's XRP is used for real-time international transactions, while Litecoin is known for its faster transaction confirmation time compared to Bitcoin. Now, you might be wondering, should you put all your eggs in one basket? Well, the answer is a resounding no. Diversification is just as important in crypto investing as it is in traditional investing. By spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies, you can mitigate risk and increase your potential for returns. But remember, diversification isn't about randomly picking a handful of cryptocurrencies. It's about carefully selecting a mix of coins that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your potential investments, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. So keep learning, keep exploring, and take calculated risks. Crypto investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The crypto market is notorious for its volatility. So how can you protect your investment? In the world of crypto investment, volatility is the name of the game. It's a double-edged sword that can bring either phenomenal returns or significant losses. But fear not. Through effective risk management, you can safeguard your investments and weather the storm. Firstly, let's talk about stop-loss orders, a powerful tool for any investor. A stop-loss order is a predefined order to sell an asset when it reaches a certain price. By setting a stop-loss order, you essentially set a safety net for your investment. If the value of your crypto asset dips to your predetermined level, the stop-loss order triggers and sells the asset, preventing further losses. It's like having a personal financial bodyguard on standby, ready to step in when things get rough. Secondly, and perhaps the most golden rule of all, never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be unpredictable, and while the rewards can be high, the risks are equally significant. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and invest all your savings, but remember, it's vital to diversify your investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, spread them across different assets to minimize risk. Lastly, regularly review and adjust your investment strategy. The crypto market is dynamic, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Stay informed about market trends, understand how different factors affect your investments, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This could mean rebalancing your portfolio, investing in different cryptocurrencies, or changing your stop-loss orders. In conclusion, while the crypto market's volatility can be intimidating, remember that risk management is your best friend. By setting stop-loss orders, not investing more than you can afford to lose, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy, you can navigate the stormy seas of crypto investment with more confidence. By managing risk effectively, you can navigate the stormy seas of crypto investment with more confidence. So, what does the future hold for crypto investment? As we navigate the final frontier of the digital age, we find ourselves grappling with questions that could shape our financial futures. The world of cryptocurrency is no exception. The crypto market is a whirlwind of innovation, with new trends emerging at a breakneck pace. Two such trends that have caught the world's attention are decentralized finance, or DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. DeFi is reshaping the financial landscape as we know it, bypassing traditional banking systems and enabling peer-to-peer transactions. It's like a financial Wild West, where you're the sheriff, the banker, and the gold miner all in one. Meanwhile, NFTs, unique digital assets that represent ownership of a particular item or piece of content, are creating a new frontier for artists, creators, and collectors alike. But what about the future? Well, increased regulation is certainly on the horizon. As governments around the world start to take notice of the crypto market, there's a strong possibility that we'll see more rules and regulations. This could bring stability to the market, but it could also stifle innovation. Another potential development is mainstream adoption. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have already started to infiltrate the mainstream, with businesses accepting crypto payments and banks exploring digital currencies. If this trend continues, we could see cryptocurrencies become a regular part of our everyday financial transactions. However, with these developments come new challenges. Increased regulation might make the crypto market safer for investors, but it could also limit the potential for high returns. Mainstream adoption could lead to greater stability, but it might also result in cryptocurrencies losing some of their revolutionary edge. So, as we peer into the crystal ball of crypto investment, we see a future that's as exciting as it is unpredictable. It's a world that's constantly evolving, always innovating, and forever challenging our understanding of what's possible. While the future of crypto is uncertain, one thing is clear: this dynamic and exciting field is here to stay. Let's recap what we've learned today about crypto investment. We started by piecing together the crypto investment puzzle, diving into the complex world of cryptocurrencies and understanding their unique characteristics. We then delved into the basics, emphasizing the crucial role of thorough research and diversification in building a robust crypto portfolio. Remember, putting all your eggs in one basket is rarely a good idea. Next, we tackled risk management in crypto investment. We stressed the importance of having a clear strategy to manage potential losses, which might include setting stop losses or only investing money you can afford to lose. Finally, we looked ahead to the future of crypto investment. While no one has a crystal ball, staying up to date with the latest trends and technological advancements can help you stay ahead of the game. Remember, crypto investment is a journey, not a destination. Stay informed, manage your risk, and you'll be well on your way to navigating the crypto seas with ease.